Heffalumps and woozles, heffalumps and woozles, heel honey, beware.
They're black, they're brown, they're up, they're down, they're in, they're out, they're all about, they're far, they're near, they're gone, they're here, they're quick and slick, they're insincere. Beware, beware, be beware, beware. A heffalump or woozle is very unusual. A heffalump or woozle's very sly. They closely buds and toozles, but evade so chooses. Before your eyes you'll see them multiply. Why? They're extraordinary, so better be wary, because they come in every shape and size. If money's what you covet, you'll find out they love it, because they guzzle up the things you prize.
They're white, they're round, they're square.
They're terrible.
They tie themselves in horrible knots.
They come in stripes, polka dots.
Beware, beware, be a very wary bear.
So better be wary, because they come in every shape and size. If money's what you covet, you'll find that they love it, because they guzzle up the things you prize. They're black, they're out, they're up, they're in, they're out, they're all about, they're far, they're near, they're gone, they're here, they're quick and slick, they're insincere. Beware, 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 beware.
Is it raining in there? It's raining out here, too.